Good evening friends, Levin Rajmar here and you're watching Layman's Tech. Today we are going to see a PSU which is the central nervous system for your PC which gives you all your electricity, power, everything to your board as well as your cabinets, your various other components of your PC. So this is the product which you are going to see. This is from Silverstone and the model number is ST75F-GS. This is a gold series PSU. It is a 750 watts fully modular PSU. This is being claimed as the world's smallest fully modular ATX power supply. Before going inside this PSU, we'll have a complete overview on what is available on the box. So we have the Silverstone branding, we have the model number, that is the ST75F-GS. It is the 80+ gold. The reason why we have gone for the gold 80+ gold version is the fan's performance is really good, but the sound, your decibels are very low in it. So pretty much you will be having a noiseless PC. Behind we have all your special features about your PSU load level, 140mm fan and the 180mm fan. It has a single powerful plus 12 volts component which gives you the complete power to the whole system. You also have two variants which are available in this particular model. That is the version 2 as well as this is the version 3. This is the latest one which I have checked in the website. The only variant that I see from version 2 and 3 is you will get a one cable less, as well as the power performance. This model version 3 is really good. This is the most important thing which you have to see. The connectors, what are all it is available. The MB2420P, you have one cable, and for the CPU 4+4P you have 2, and for the PCIe 6+2P you have 4 cables, and for the SATA you have 8 connectors. The peripheral 4P is 6 numbers, and for the floppy 4P is for 2 numbers. The most important thing you can see over here with the specification is the color which we have here is black, that is the lead free paint which has been done here, and the cooling system has the single 120mm silent fan. The noise level, as I told you, it is around 18 decibel, that is the minimum. It weighs around 1.31 kgs. I really can't see much of weight here because one PC which is lying with me here has a Hunky and it weighs a ton. It's huge. The dimensions which are used here is 150mm width and 86mm height and 140mm depth. So pretty much it works with all your cabinets. This is the smallest modular PSU which is here, which is what Silverstone claims for, and the operating temperature, it goes from 0 to 40 degrees centigrade, not much more. Let's get inside. Right inside we have the warranty information. I forgot to say this particular product is made in Taiwan. Remember the 90s kids and the 80s kids, we are all fond of Taiwan products. The PSU, we'll see it later. You have the power supply booklet, manual. It is available in various languages which are visible here, and it shows how it has to be fixed and what all cables for what all informations are available here. This is the main power cable which goes behind your PSU. This is for the slot and to your power, and these are all the cables which are available for the cabling. You have the velcro straps, the cable ties, as well as various screws for your PSU to be connected to your cabinets. So that's it guys, which is available in the box. We'll be going to the PSU now. I literally can't believe that this is a 750 watts PSU, because this is very small, this is very light, this is really good. This is an excellent product guys. This make is really good. The powder coated black, that is the lead black color, which is, it looks really cool. It says the version 3.0. you have the model number over here, the various slots which are available, what pins and things. In case you're not using this particular cable, this pin or the connector, then you have your caps for it, so you can close it and keep. It really looks neat and clean from behind. Your cabling is really good. You have the power on and off switch, and this is the main power cabling port socket. And this is the 120 mm fan which is available. This goes right below your cabinet, so the air has been sucked in and it has been pushed out through this particular vent. That's it guys, that's it with the Silverstone PSU. Just wait for the video which is going to launch for the gaming PC build. Catch you later. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Click the thumbs up icon and share the video if you like our content. Throw in your questions and suggestions as comments, which we will answer for sure.